Alright, you see I got my new Georgia tag on the silver truck, which silver and silver looks good. So here it is, my first new vehicle in 30 years. This is because Pat always got the new ones. So here it is. It rides good, it handles good, and I think I kind of like it.